First, you should log in to your Pokemon Tilug account. But first, you should have a Pokemon that has low level and use only one Pokemon in a battle so you could have high XPs and high money. Okay, example. This is my team. Okay, I will do Stuntler. Okay, let's start. Battle. Go to computer battle. Enter a member's username. Type Fire. Click battle member. Okay, let's start. I will choose Stantler's strongest attack. Stomp is 6. Let's tackle. Tackle is 3. Let's see take down. Wait, I am paralyzed because of the stats score. But it has no damage. It does splash when it uses splash. It has no damage to you. Tackle is 8. Let's see astonish. Takedown is 8. Takedown is 8. That tackle. Astonish is 3. So I will use it. So you can win the match fast. You should click attack again and again so fast so you could win easily. Now let's see. Okay. Cover up has 32 HP left. Okay. I will use Statler again. Use takedown again. Some reminders. The one that I am using now is Tipcam. Download it in the internet, Tipcam. Then install it to your computer, then you can use it. Okay. Okay, let's fight now again. Let's go back. Just take down again. Okay. 3 more Pokemons left. Just take down again. Two more Camraps to go. Okay, one more Camrap left. Okay, I will click it. I'll click here again and again, but not slow, but not fast because so you can see the XP and money you earned. Okay, almost done. Okay, let's see. I earned 30,000 money and I earned 60,000 XP. Okay, now let's see my team. Let's see Stantler. What's level is it? Look! From level 5, it became level 100. Told you. And level 100 is the last level. So let me look if Statler can evolve. No, Statler cannot evolve. Okay, go to profile. Let's go to Pokemon. Let me see my body. Look at my body. Okay. Okay. Thank you for listening and please download this file tipcam so you can download you can record everything you do in your laptop or your computer or your netbook. Bye.